Hello, everybody. Welcome to a September 16th stream for Gift. Started a little bit late today because there's retail sales at 6:30. So didn't want to trade the news. Didn't want to have positions open before the news. But now in hindsight, it looks like it did rip up. That was a nice 40 pip trade pre-news. Comes out in like 30 seconds. So we'll wait and see how gold reacts with the news. It's right there. Oh, whoops. Forgot to put on live screen. There we go. Now we got 11 seconds for the news. Wait and see how gold reacts with it. What's up, throwbacks? Yeah, I can't believe the Nuggets won. Holy shit, that's crazy. Did you watch that game last night or what? Yeah, I think the Lakers are gonna win. The Clippers just didn't have it. It was weird. They were up 3-1 too. Like they should have won, but damn, Nuggets are next level right now. Looks like retail sales are bad. Yeah, the game was amazing. Oh wow, retail sales were bad. Core retail down, retail down. Interesting. This should pop up a little bit more. Yeah, that game was actually definitely pretty entertaining. You know what? I think I'm taking a long on Euro USD. I feel like I missed gold. So I do like this long. It's a Wednesday. Retail sales were bad. $10 pips for 10 pips. Maybe even the highs eventually, but we'll see on this one. Damn, I should have been a long down here though. Ah, whatever, it's all good. Why am I taking a long? We had this move up. Whoops. Move up during European session. Down creates a support. So once the support was created, long should have been here. Get the test up here. Now I'm anticipating this to break and hit like 119 level. Because if you go down from daily, let me get rid of these drawings. Let's go top down again. So weekly, you have this bullish move up. Daily had this bullish move up as well, and a weaker US dollar should continue to push this up. 4 hourly, yeah, 4 hourly, anticipating for it to continue. But we'll see what happens. Still early in the hour. I have my stop below this candlestick right here, and then hopefully trade it well. I'm anticipating 75, 80 area to be broken just for the fact that retail sales were bad too. So it should prop the Euro USD up. That's what I'm anticipating. Nice little break above here. Yeah, this move, support created, push up. Long down here would have been nice though. Yeah, whatever it is, what it is. Ooh, dollar's propping up. Maybe it was already. It's quite choppy. I feel like it's waiting for the Fed news to actually make a big move. That's what it seems like, anyways. With this 30-minute close in bullish, I figured this one will continue going up too. So that's what I'm anticipating on this next 30-minute. Even test the highs or something, we'll see. Damn, this pound USD is killing it right now. I went half position because it is news and it's tough to trust the news. So. Big rejection wick over here. That's why I didn't want to chase the long on gold either. It's going to be choppy until Fed news, I think. I think Fed news will be the true mover of it. I have to wait for that to come up. I got out of my euro trade. It wasn't looking too good. Reduced risk like crazy on that. We want to hold on to that one at all. It's gonna be choppy like this, I think, until Fed news though. I don't feel like there's gonna be a real move until Fed news happens. So we'll see. I think we just gotta be patient with it. Can't really force a trade. That was just a gauger. I just wanted to play half position with it, so it wasn't even a big loss. I think I got 5 pip loss, so it's nothing too bad at all. Probably just watch it. I don't think gold looks too tough to trade right now. Like, yeah, I do think it's gonna break up above here, but I feel like Fed news is gonna do something like this, like go all the way down and then up like that or something. Whoops. Yeah, look at that push down on Euro USD. This thing's about to break and tank. So you know what? I just entered a short when it broke here at 65. Over trading, if you want to call it, but it just broke levels. So with that break of levels, I do expect it to continue down to like 50s area. Took a short here based off 30-minute structure being broken. So we'll wait and see how that turns out. I'll be right back though, real quick. Wow, that thing did crash. Yeah, I felt like there's a lot of selling pressure there. I feel like it'll continue just because if you look at the 15-minute now, 50-minute broke this whole area right here. I thought it was going to continue higher, but obviously I got to be nimble with it. So with that break of the support, I do feel like you're going to get a test of these lows down here to the next level. So we'll see how it reacts. Same thing happened yesterday, right? Yeah, this move up and then boom, crashed. So I feel like you're going to get another candlestick downwards. If you go to the 4-hour. Oh, it's a daily. It's a daily low 40. 4-hour, yeah, 4-hour turn red too. If you go to daily flip bearish is gonna be 45 area. So I think we'll wait and see. But now if you just look at structure, 30-minute broke, 15-minute broke. The probabilities of this continuing down are very high, especially into the next hour or two. So I think I'll hold on to it for a little bit. Try to get my 10 pips at 50. I also feel like the same thing's gonna happen here. I don't know if it's gonna break above, but even if it does, I feel like it's gonna go down a little bit before it breaks. So yeah, the wedge broke, but it's Fed day. Fed day is always difficult to trade. Fed day, you're gonna get a faked out like crazy until this comes up. Federal, and even when this comes up, you're gonna get the first 15-minute fake, and then true move will happen after that. So we gotta wait for that one. Yeah, this gold trade, I do like it. Don't get me wrong, but I think I gotta wait till 12 o'clock to actually get a long move on it. All right, so you have this resistance level right here. Don't get me wrong. I mean, there is gonna be a big move that happens. Usually what happens during the Fed move, so if I could time it right. Where is it? So right here is the 12 o'clock hourly candlestick. So usually what you might see is price might just do some weird shit like this until it comes here, and then you're gonna get a big wick down and then a move up. I want to try getting it on this move up. That's gonna be my goal for Fed. I do feel like it's gonna go up because if you look at the structure, just based off price action, it's bullish. You get the support. You have bull move up, support created, bullish weekly. Now, if you go to this daily, you can see that. Oh, let me go here. It makes it easier. I'm gonna delete this here. If you go to daily, you can see the wedge has been broken. You get a retest, so you might get like a dip below to the 50s area. And with the 50s, then you kind of get that liquidity wick to go up. So we'll see what happens here. I'm not too rushed on it. I'm not too worried on it either. I do feel like you're gonna get a move down before you get a move up. You're gonna get a big ass wick and then a continuation up. I think that always happens. Where's the last Fed days? July 29th and June 10th. Uh, July 29th, I say it was. July 29th. Wait, there was a day I wanted to look at. July 29th and June 10th. Maybe June 10th was the day. You see this July 29th big wick right here? That's one thing I'm expecting, another big wick and then a push up, but a continued push up. And June 10th was the other date. This one was a better one. You get a wick down and then a crazy move up. That's one thing I'm expecting there too. So we'll see how that goes. And I do feel like you're gonna get a big move up eventually over here. So see how that one goes. Man, this one looks bearish. Oh my god. My TP just hit. That's a winning trade, ladies and gentlemen. That is a winning trade today. Controlled risk up here. Was nimble enough to get another short over here. That is a good execution, really. A solid display of nimbleness. That was a good trade. Let's should I go 15-minute? Yeah, let's go 15-minute. I'm gonna delete this. Reset this chart. There we go. Excuse me. There we go. That was the trade. Stuck with euro today. Turned out pretty well, if you ask me. I have one more idea on gold I want to do too. I'll show you guys in a bit. But excuse me. I'm just happy I could be adaptive on that trade. Execute the other side, right? So that's exactly what I did. Man, I gotta pump up the social media on Instagram and everything. Gotta figure out how to do that. Perfect. Yeah, I'll do the blog post later. I just want to put it on social media right now. Ah, pretty good trade. Not bad at all. Very formative on how to be nimble and adaptive because we were initially in longs, right? But obviously went lower. Now it's given another opportunity for short potentially. So we'll see how that turns out. Other than that, my idea I want to say for gold is every time on Fed day, like, yeah, it is bullish, but you might get like a breakout and then a move down. So I want to wait and see if it actually has a move down before me to enter. With this hour finishing pretty bullish though, if the 7 o'clock opens lower, let's say it gets to like 1966 area, I might enter a long potentially with the stop below here. But we'll see. There's just a couple ideas on gold I do want to try out, play out, see if it works really, right? So but the big thing is the federal funds rate at 12 o'clock. Like, yeah, it stayed the same, but you're gonna get a move. And typically, just based off how this structure is forming on gold right now, I feel like you're gonna get a big wig down and a move up once again. And I feel like I'm gonna wait and enter there. I'll have a special live stream at 12 o'clock too for the Fed, just to try it out, watch it. So around like 11:50, I'll pull up a stream and we'll use that. Throwback. Yeah, thanks for the tips. No problem, man. No problem at all. Did you catch that Euro trade too, or was it a little bit too fast? Here's a recap of the trade. I'll put this on social media right now. Got to increase my following. Our following. I also wrote a blog post on a healthy mind, body, and soul because over this weekend, I ate pretty good, but I felt like shit the past couple days. Obviously, it wasn't as fresh or sharp compared to the end of last week. End of last week, I feel like was better because I was more alert, more fresh, more sharp in my trading. Oh, this one is opening lower. It's 7 o'clock now. I think I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, see if it hits like 66, 60 something. So I feel like you're gonna get a push up. Look at the hour close. Hour close bullish above this resistance area. So I feel like, yeah, I'm gonna enter a gauger right now. So I entered a gauger at 66.5. So if you want to see it, I'm long. I'm just risking a little bit of profits, so nothing crazy. Entered along at 66.5 down here because it opened lower, and I feel like it might just retest up here. But, oh shit! Put the stop like below here. So we'll see how that turns out. Right now I'm in profit a little bit, so that's good. Man, the chart looks so clean like that. Wow. Right caption. Wow, that's about to hit my profit real quick here. Put my head down, was looking at it, and now it's about to hit my TP. My TP is at 1970, so thing is gonna hit. Looks like it's about to hit. It's another winning trade. This is just a fun trade though. Wasn't I just had an idea. I just wanted to play it out, see how it would react. So I did it. I only took like a third of a position down here too. So that's another winning trade today too. Pretty solid one. I think today I'm gonna work on that social media aspect. Whoever's tuning in, just posted the Instagram one. I'm gonna post other ones too right now. Pretty good day in general. I mean, that trade was pretty nice. And this one too on gold. Damn, that one actually went 40 pips pretty quick. I don't know if it's gonna break. It's Fed. I keep saying it, but it's true. It's Fed day. And with Fed day, you never know what the hell is gonna happen throughout the day. You're gonna get a lot of fake outs. So right now, I think I'll just watch it and yeah, I think I'm gonna just watch it, see how the price action is, see these market movements. I don't know if it's gonna break.
Babe, I need to try out some new marketing jokes now that we're hosting Signals 2020. Okay, the content series for.
I'll post this post to Instagram and Twitter real quick. How do I edit tweets? The fuck? Yeah, I have no idea how to edit tweets. It's my Facebook. Is that loaded? Sick. Oh wow, this is making new highs, eh? Fuck, I wanted to get long during Asian, but I just never did it. Damn, this is breaking out nicely. I don't trust it though. I have to be honest with you. With the Fed, I feel like you can get that big retracement on the Fed news and then it'll push up. But that's because like I've seen it every time. I've been trading for what, like almost a year now. I've gotten killed before multiple times. I'm not gonna lie, I got killed on Fed news, but still, you gotta watch it. And then what? We only got like 5 hours till then, so still feel like it's a good opportunity. Yeah, that's a fake out. We'll watch it though. All right, all the social media ones are up. Now we're good. Do I have any other trades I'm looking at? Not at the moment. Might as well just go through the list real quick. Let's look at the dollar index. Dollar index looks like it's about to pop up. Kind of actually a little bit. How's the euro look right now? Euro 1 hour. Liquidity wick up. This might actually go bearish. Yeah, that retest. 15-minute doesn't look so good though. Yeah, the 15-minute doesn't look good at all. With the 5-minute. 5-minute, yeah, your stop would be here if you entered here. We'll see. Maybe I'll enter a gauger. It's a tough one though. 15-minute. Yeah, this 15-minute didn't close so nicely. 30-minute, big wick. What the big wick should expect it to move down. We'll see though. Yeah, this USD CAD I was looking at, I felt like it was gonna pop up, but I missed on it. Pound USD has just been on a tear. What the hell? Since London session. Nice little tear up. Euro CAD. I'm gonna get rid of Euro CAD. Pound CAD. Yeah, pound CAD looks nice too. Pound Jap just ate shit. Wow. Silver, gold. Nah, there's nothing. Let's go to this watch list. Watch this. Because this is what I'm looking at if I wanted to enter a short here. Is you had this break, you had this retest, didn't really have a continuation down. You had this big hour bearish candlestick, 4 hour 4 hour, you're just retesting up here right now. And I feel like if it flips, you might just get like a quick 10 pips off of it, but we'll see what happens there, right? If I did enter a short, I mean, it ain't bad, but we'll see. Maybe I'll just call the trade. I don't think I'll trade it. I already had 2 trades today, so let's just analyze it, see if my analysis does play out. Okay, so we had this level right here, right? So it broke at the 630 candlestick. It broke. The news was bad. US dollar should have been bad and this should have propped up. We were long, but we entered a short after it broke structure. And then we got out on this big impulsive move down. And now this 7 o'clock open, you have the 4 o'clock 4 hour open, 1 hour open. You get this big wick up, kind of retests this area, rejects it, pushes down. And if you look at the structure on the 4 hour and on the 1 hour, it is kind of bearish. So right now with this 15-minute flipping bearish like this, I would enter a short right here. I would only get 10 pips potentially. So was that 61? So 62 now. So I go 52, 62. And my stop wouldn't even be that bad. It'd be 8 pip stop right here. So that'd be the trade I kind of do. Half position probably. Not a full one, but you can see it's going up now. This is why I was virtually trading it. Just analyzing it, seeing if this analysis does play out right. So we'll see how it turns out. Because it did break, and the 30-minute did finish bearish as well as the 1 hour. So with that, do expect it to go down a little bit. But obviously, it's still a bullish higher time frame structure. So I wouldn't be surprised if it went up too. Yeah, I think it'll be a patience one. I do feel like you're gonna get that move down again. You have this rejection at this area. So with that, I do think you're gonna get the sell when the New York market opens. I think we'll wait and see. This is just my analysis on it. Not really trading it at the moment, but just want to see if it'll play out. See if it's right. I mean, we already had 2 profitable trades, 1 losing trade. That's already 3 trades for the day. I don't like to overtrade anymore. I used to. Some days I used to have like 10 trades in a day. Be awful. I win like 5 and then lose it all in the next 5, and then I'd just be pissed off. So. Damn, Throwbacks is busy with work. I like talking to him. Ooh, there it goes. Look at that. That was a nice call, eh? We'll see if it plays out a little bit more. I want to see the wick fill at least. So I'm just responding to an email right now. Ooh, that did drop. Wow, that's a nice drop. Now, if you look at the 30-minute, big rejection up here. With that big rejection, maybe the last 5 minutes might get a bearish move down, but I think I kind of do anticipate it going down a little bit further. Down here, kind of getting a wick fill. So we'll see how that goes. Interesting. The 50-minute propped up now a little bit. We'll see. Obviously, I'm not in it, but kind of planning for the trade in a sense. Seeing what happens with the 50-minute kind of pushing down. I do expect this area anticipated to break the next 30-minute. I feel like with that break, you could easily get 5-10 pips maybe. So this trade is playing out pretty nicely, to be honest. So, so we had it at 62. I think 52 was a take profit. If anyone caught that trade? I feel like I can get the volume push in about 2 minutes at the volume push at 7:30 when the market opens. right. Be right back real quick. Now, if you look at the 15-minute, if it doesn't break below here, then I feel like that's a support being created. But with this big liquidity move, if it breaks below 55, you're gonna get a sell. I could be like an easy 5-pip sell at 55. Nope. Created a support. Did not push lower. Well, I mean, it's still early in the 30-minute, but look at the 5-minute. See if it actually does push lower. Excuse me. Yeah, I think this broke the previous 30-minute low. Did it? Yeah, it broke previous 30-minute low. So in theory, or in yeah, I guess in theory, this should continue to fill this wick. And if you look at the 15-minute right now too, the 15-minute is heading lower as well. So we'll see. It's 6 pips away from the target that we, or 4 pips actually, away from the target that we had at 62 or 52. Excuse me. So see how that turns out. Beer bag. I think my tea's ready. Another take profit smash right here. Holy. That is a good trade. Look at this, eh? I just saw the price on this. That's exactly what I was fearing. I knew some shit like this would happen on a Fed day like today. And the same thing's happening here too. Interesting. Fed days, man. Fed days. It was a 15-minute. Yeah, 15-minute looks bearish now. I mean, don't be surprised if you see like a bear move down real quick. So. Choppiness. This is the thing I was talking about. Choppiness until we actually get the Fed minutes. This is nice though. I like this move. Played out pretty well. Called down perfectly. Broken down perfectly. I'm just watching this. I don't know. I just want to look at it for the next however much longer we're on. I feel like you might get him moved down to like 64 or something. How's this 4-hour look? How's this 4-hour look? Yeah, you reach like this. Remember how I was marking out this resistance area? It's kind of go like that. That's the one thing I was marking out. So with that, I feel like you might get a little push down. So like I said, with the Fed news, you might go down like here and then go up like that. That's the one thing I'll be watching for. Just gotta be patient with it. Excuse me. Yeah, you're getting that push down right now. You might get a push down to this area over here. I feel like you will get a push down over here. So we'll see how that turns out. Not gonna play it. Maybe I'll call it again. Like I called Euro USD. This one, you have a big rejection area over here. Nice red candlestick downwards. I feel like the next one is gonna kind of continue over here, bare minimum, because it is Fed day. It's gonna be choppy like that. So let's wait and watch. Excuse me. Wow, that push down near the end of the 15-minute. Should see it continue a little bit lower. So Keep an eye on it. What's a 5-minute look? Yeah, 5-minute looks good too. It's gonna be choppy though. That's the choppiness. How'd the euro turn out? Yeah, that went down nice too. Wow, what price did it go to? 46. Wow, that's actually crazy. 30-minute, I think 30-minute broke. Yeah, 30-minute kind of broke a little bit too. 1 hourly, it's going red. 1 minute, 1 minutely. You're gonna see another push down easily. But like I said, it's gonna be choppy on the way up and down. So keep an eye out for that. Oh, I'm on the 1 minute. There we go. Slow and choppy. But I'm happy we made some profit to play around with a little bit later today. Be on around like 1150 again. So see how that goes. Yeah, there. This is gonna break. I think it hits 63 eventually here. I didn't take the short, but we had the call on this and on the call on Euro USD, which is pretty nice. So it's nice to play out the analysis. 8 o'clock's about to pop up. Means this 4 hours are gonna be done. Yeah, there's a rejection up here. But look at this though. That's what I'm saying. This is gonna pop up. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this here. But when the Fed news happens, I'm looking for longs. Full disclosure, I am looking for longs. But yeah, same thing here too, right? Uptrend and the resistance. Oh man, this is slowed down quite a bit. Honestly though, I think I'm gonna end the stream. That was a good session. I just got here's a recap of Euro USD, the trade. This was a good trade right here. Nimble and adaptive, putting that on the blog. We also called the second short. Remember I said the wick up and then the move down. Easy 8 pips if you wanted that, 10 pips. We even got 10 on the cowboy entry. Excuse me. So with that, and called gold again on the way down. We never trusted this up move. Actually, we got the up move. We did get the long here, but we got out just because, like I said, I've traded this day quite a bit, and it can completely fuck you up and kill your equity, right? But now we made a good profit to actually play with later. And to recap what I'm looking for later in the Fed news, this is probably just going to do some weird shit around this whole area. But Fed news, if it has like a wick down like that, I'm going to buy it on the way up. I'm at my stop like right here. Just for the fact it is in a bullish structure at the moment. So we'll see how it turns out. Any impulsive buy up or impulsive sell down, I will not go with that because it's always going to fake out. That's what gold is known to do. But yeah, other than that, I feel like it was a pretty good day today. Hope everyone enjoyed it. We'll see you in exactly 4 hours from now for a special Fed stream. Hope everyone has a good day.